Hello, everyone. Today is Sunday. This is my day to reset. My studio is a bit messy, more messy than usual. So, I decided to wake up early to make sure I can clean it, like clean everywhere. And it's also time for me to remove these braids. But I want to dye my hair. I feel like whenever we're approaching autumn, I see like at least five black girls that are like, I want to dye my hair ginger or a sort of red or a sort of color. So, yes, I'm one of them. I'm like every autumn is like clockwork. I want to dye my hair. And I've been pretty good at resisting temptation because my hair is like very healthy at the moment. I think they're healthy enough. Now they're at a point where even if I fuck up, they're still going to be okay. Or at least that's what I'm telling myself. So let's see. Okay, it's time to remove these braids, okay? They are the same exact color as my hair, so hopefully I don't cut it because that has happened a lot in the past. I've cut my hair on accident so many times because I'm not patient, really. I have a vision for my hair color. I'm gonna insert pictures here and there. Did I cut my hair? Yes. And the sun is back all of a sudden as I'm saying bye to summer with this fan. I love spending a calm Sunday just cleaning or batch cooking for the upcoming week. It feels like it's productivity, yeah, but it doesn't feel like work. It feels like I'm doing all of this for my well-being and for my future self. So that when I wake up in the morning or when I'm hungry, I can just like open the fridge and there's food ready. I don't have to think too much. Because the thing that really doesn't help for me is decision fatigue and just having a clean space, food in the fridge. Those are my luxuries, and that's why I make my Sunday sacred. There's an element of cleaning your space, but it's also like cleansing it of previous energy and things you were carrying. A lot of my plants are turning yellow, and that's one of my favorite part about having plants and nature at home is that it's a reminder that time is passing by and that things are seasonal, cyclical, and yeah, it just helps me stay present to tend for my plants, watch them grow, turn yellow or die. It's all part of the it's all part of life. Okay. I don't have an application brush. I'm just gonna use my hands. I'm gonna have to work pretty fast actually. Guys, this is crazy. Why is it looking pink? Is it me? Great. Okay, so I've been massaging my scalp for the past 15 minutes, making sure the hair was saturated. I'm gonna shower now. I'm gonna do a full pamper routine. I'm gonna do a scrub. I'm gonna pluck my brows. I'm gonna do a mask. We'll be back to dry and straighten this hair. Doing my hair is a workout. Seriously, it's a workout. Is the red dye in the room with us? Again, I did not want to bleach my hair, so it's not like I was expecting like to be, you know, a redhead. That was a waste of time and money and energy. I'm very tired. So you can kind of see the red, I think. What do you think? I think you can kind of see. Can you see it? It's very, very subtle, and you can kind of see it, kind of not see it. But that was a lot, and it gave me nothing. It gave nothing, okay? I still have to vacuum. I also have to mop. Oh, and I have to clean my bathroom, which is red at the moment, unlike my hair. So some cocoa powder and some cinnamon powder. Yep. Nice. I'm a very homey person. I like to be at home, especially when it's ugly outside. And caring for my environment is like I'm tending to my inner, I don't know, my garden. As I'm cleaning my space, it's also when I'm cleaning my thoughts and I'm assessing the week. And when I'm done with the day and I'm journaling at the end of, you know, the week, I like to do a sort of audit. What went well, what I can do better, what I'm looking forward to, what I'm grateful for, and I color in. I do like a mood tracker for the year, and I color the box according to how well or how good the week went. And to do that, if I don't remember, because I have a pretty bad memory, I look into my phone gallery. I'm like, oh, this happened this week, or when there are no pictures, typically I was busy doing stuff. Like even like no screenshots, or you know, it's like okay, this week has been very busy, or I've been feeling very down. But typically I like to look through my journal entries, or yeah, my phone. And I don't know, it's just like I feel more present. That makes me really like reconnect to myself and how I feel and the things that I've been working through. Also, guys, we made it to 5,000 subscribers on the channel like a couple of days ago. Insane. Like 5,000 is a lot of people. That's a lot of people. Yeah, thank you so much. It's it feels good, and I feel like okay, people are resonating with what I put out there. I'm going to do a Q&A next week. Yeah, so if you have any questions that you would like to ask me, I mean, it could be about me, but it could also be if you want my advice on something or my opinion or whatever the case may be, just leave it in the comments. Thank you so much. And it's only up from here, right? So let's keep going. When I look through what I've been writing this past week, the common theme is very like, I've been feeling like I want something new, whatever that means. Maybe that's what I was trying to do with my hair. I feel like I'm ending a cycle. I don't know what that is yet. Maybe I will know in hindsight. But yeah, I feel like I'm closing a chapter. It's also a new season. I have that feeling whenever we're changing seasons. But I don't know. I feel like I I need to double down on on the efforts that I put in towards myself, towards my health, towards work, people. Like I just feel like I've been pretty conservative with my energy, which is crazy to say because I've been very tired too lately. But yet I still feel like I need to apply pressure. So yeah, I don't know. This is how I've been feeling lately. Let me know how you've been feeling. I know that autumn brings this energy of death and rebirth. Like it's a lot of people feeling pretty mellow, but yeah, man, we're going through it here. But yeah, I'm grateful for this week. I'm looking forward to the next week.
Yeah, we both agreed on divorcing. Like it wasn't like a big.
You that he did for her. We both
We
agree.
both agreed that we're going in different directions.
Because honestly, you're making yourself sound like a saint. I mean, she agreed, you agreed.
This is my.
You both agreed. Okay.
Right, going into the pods, I looked at it as like a benefit. Like I've been there. Like I understand what works for me, and so like
This is crazy. This is crazy. This man. Demonic. 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 This is insane. I think this is the worst case of trash that we've seen on Love is Blind. And God knows we've had a lot of trash. But Tyler hiding his kids to someone that he's going to get married to legally is insane. And it's not it's getting to the point where now the drama on this show, it's not even funny anymore. You're playing with this girl's life. You're playing with this girl's life. You're gonna put kids on her. He's trying to trap her. All I'm gonna say is, girls, be careful and do your due diligence because some people will try to trap you. They will try to trap you and no, seriously. Right, let me I'm about to go to bed now. I have to wrap my hair. This is the best feeling when you're changing your bedding and everything is so crisp and fresh and my skincare is done and my legs are moisturized and I smell like coconut and vanilla. Like this is the moment that I feel the most feminine and the most just good in my body is this moment. It's time to wrap it up for today, and I hope this upcoming week is filled with curiosity, wonder, presence, mindfulness, that you get the signs that you asked for, the confirmations on, you being on the right track. I'll see you guys next week.